This is the immobilizer that we sell. If you're out of state, don't worry, you give us a call. We'll guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible. We do provide the installation video. Right now, the truck is a push to start. The system engages itself in 40 seconds. So when you turn off the truck and you can close the door and go about your business, and automatically in 40 seconds, the truck won't start. The only thing you have to do before you start the truck, you press this top button here, okay? And then you're able to start the truck. If you don't do that, it's not gonna start. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to start it now. See, it doesn't start, right? I'm gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna press my button on the fob, and now the car will crank right up. Same thing, you turn off the truck, it will automatically engage itself in 40 seconds, and you don't have to worry about anything. If you're gonna leave it at a shop or with a mechanic shop or whatnot, you're gonna press the top bottom button. That puts the system on valet. That means you can start the vehicle 10 times, and after the 10th time, when it goes to 11th time, it will automatically come out of valet mode and it will start working again. But let's say you get the truck back sooner than expected or whatnot, and you want to take it out of valet mode, and then you hit the bottom top, which is the opposite of top bottom to put it on valet. To take it out of valet is bottom top, and then it will, right away the system will start working again. Again, I'll show you one more time. Nothing happens, right? Turn off the button, press the button here, crank right up. Again, our numbers are 305-298-4814. This is Auto Line Specialist. Anybody out of state, don't worry. If you're in Miami, we do come out to you. If you're out of state, we can ship it to you, and it also comes with 2 fobs. Thank you for watching this video.